Hello everyone! Today we're going to finish our lesson, Descriptive Writing. What is a descriptive writing? It describes people, animals, or places in such a way that a picture is formed in the reader's mind. Well, in the previous lesson, I asked you to choose a topic and brainstorm some ideas. Now, it's time to start writing. Now that your brainstorm sheet is ready, you already wrote your introduction, it's now time to write the details. Now remember, a good descriptive writing contains all sensory details. Tell me, how does it look, smell, sound, taste, or even feel? Now, when you start writing, vary your sentences. Beside all the statements that you write, include some exclamatory sentences, and you can add some questions. Your goal is to draw a picture in the reader's mind. So do your best to enhance the reader's imagination. For example, instead of writing, "The dog wagged his tail," you can write, "The brown cute dog wagged his small tail happily." Now look at the words brown, cute, small, and happily. Now, did you see what the second statement did? It painted a picture in your mind, and that is the purpose of descriptive writing. And that's it for now. Next time, we'll show you how to conclude your paragraph.